Welcome to our guide on the best commercial blenders for smoothies, soups, and more. This high-end blender comparison will cover absolutely everything you need to know about buying the best professional blender possible. Along with my colleagues, I've spent hours researching heavy-duty blenders so that I can give you the exact pros and cons of each of these 5 luxury blenders. You'll find the links to each of them in the description below. If you're aiming to bring professional-grade blending into your kitchen, the Vitamix 5200 is a powerhouse that can handle it all. The Vitamix 5200 blender prides itself on being more than just a blender. It's a kitchen workhorse that invites you to experiment with a plethora of culinary pursuits. From steamy soups to frosty desserts, your cravings will be satisfied effortlessly when you invest in the Vitamix 5200 and its durable 64-ounce blending jar. What I've realized from owning the Vitamix 5200 is that it's not merely about blending, it's about elevating your cooking game to chef-like standards. And that's what really sets this gadget apart from your average countertop blender. What also sets this blender apart is its robust construction paired with the Vitamix promise of longevity. So, although it's pretty expensive, you can definitely consider it an investment in your culinary adventures. Also, despite the power and 10 variable blending speeds, the machine's user-friendly self-cleaning feature saves precious minutes, allowing you to focus more on your creations and less on the cleanup. Understandably, such quality comes with a higher price tag, which might stretch your budget. And while its size ensures you can tackle large quantities, it might also claim more counter space than expected. Still, as arguably the best commercial blender for smoothies in terms of overall bang for your buck, the Vitamix 5200 definitely earns its space on the countertop. Overall, the Vitamix 5200 is a testament to blending perfection. With ease and finesse, it will quickly become a cornerstone in your quest for gourmet home cooking. Checking in at number 4 is the popular Vitamix Professional Series 750 blender, which is one of the best professional blenders that you can get. If you're looking to elevate your culinary creations with a top-tier blender, the Vitamix 750 Pro is the powerhouse that can literally transform your kitchen experience. Imagine a blender that doesn't just blend, but revolutionizes your cooking. With robust aircraft-grade blades, the Vitamix 750 whizzes through ice, nuts, and all manner of tough-to-handle ingredients. But it's not just about power, it's about precision as well. With 5 pre-programmed settings and 10 variable speeds, your control over texture is limitless, all thanks to the innovative design that lets you dial in exactly the consistency you need for your recipe. It's definitely one of the best industrial blenders that I've come across, that's for sure. And I think we can all agree that simplicity in maintenance is a joy. And this blender understands that. No need to dismantle and scrub. Just a drop of soap and warm water, and the machine self-cleans in under a minute. It's an investment for sure, but think of all the time saved on cleaning. By owning a blender this advanced, your kitchen instantly expands. Soups, smoothies, nut butter, homemade essentials are now within reach. Honestly, this isn't a mere appliance, it's a culinary partner. Ready to tackle anything from delicate sauces to hearty doughs. No culinary challenge is too great for the Vitamix 750 Pro, which is why it's frequently rated as the best heavy-duty blender on the market. Moving on to the third best commercial-grade blender, we have the Waring Commercial MX 1000 XTS 3.5 HP blender, which is made in the USA. If you're in the market for a beast that can handle your bustling commercial kitchen's demands, this might just be your workhorse. You're probably used to blenders that whimper at the sight of dense ingredients, not this one. With a 3.5 peak horsepower motor, you can transform ice to snow in seconds or make nut butter without the motor breaking a sweat. It's a piece of equipment built for the busiest of venues, ready to withstand back-to-back usage without flinching. If you don't want to spend thousands of dollars, it's probably the best blender for restaurant use that you can get. Also, when you buy this Waring commercial blender, you get a 64-ounce stainless steel jug standing at the ready, which is well capable of handling hefty volumes in a single go, ideal for commercial settings. Imagine whipping up large batches of margaritas or smoothies without worrying about the texture. This jug is both unbreakable and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze as well. With this Waring commercial blend, durability certainly does meet practicality. Now, for business owners worried about the roar of their appliance, Waring has an ace up its sleeve, a compatible sound enclosure to dampen noise. This separate accessory can be crucial in intimate settings where blender noise could be intrusive. It's an investment that could enhance customer experience significantly. As with any heavy-duty appliance, there's more under the hood than the everyday user might need. If your blending jobs are more along the lines of occasional purees or milkshakes, this blender might just be overqualified for the task. However, if you're in the market for one of the best heavy-duty blenders, then this USA-made commercial kitchen powerhouse is the way to go. Taking the number 2 spot on my best industrial blender list is the Blendtec Stealth 885, which is ideal for those wanting a commercial-grade blender that comes with a built-in sound enclosure. So, if you're on the hunt for a blender that marries power with silence for your business, the Blendtec Stealth 885 deserves your attention. As its name suggests, the Blendtec Stealth 885 is a powerhouse that's designed to operate quietly, so it won't drown out the chatter in your juice bar or cafe. You'll appreciate the convenience of one-touch cycles. Whether you're whipping up smoothies or grinding grains, your tasks are greatly simplified with the Blendtec Stealth 885. Similarly, the self-cleaning feature is a boon for quick turnovers and closing time efficiency without sacrificing cleanliness. Navigating a busy service environment requires equipment that does its job without fanfare. With that in mind, this blender promises to blend seamlessly into your workflow with the stealth sound enclosure, ensuring that conversations can continue uninterrupted. Plus, the massive 90-ounce capacity blending jar means you can create big batches of your favorite concoctions without worrying about overfilling the container. Oh, and did I mention the 42 pre-programmed cycles? Talk about efficiency. You can almost blend anything with this high-tech commercial blender. Honestly, if you're looking for the most efficient, intelligent blender for commercial use, then the Blendtec Stealth 885 is definitely the best commercial smoothie blender that you can get your hands on. Crafted in the USA, Blendtec stands behind their product with a sturdy 3-year warranty, assuring you of their commitment to quality. While the initial investment is steep, consider the productivity and ambiance this silent workhorse offers. Your patrons may never notice it, but the results will be tasted in every sip they take. So, what is the best commercial blender on the market? Well, if money is no object and you just want the best professional blender possible, then you need to take a look at the Waring Commercial Ultra Blender. When it comes to running a busy kitchen or bar, power and efficiency are top priorities. The Waring Commercial Ultra Blender boasts an impressive 3.75 HP motor and 1-gallon stainless steel blending jar. So whether you're pureeing soup or crushing ice for cocktails, it has the oomph and size to churn through heavy workloads with ease. Also, the control it offers via variable speeds is a huge plus for culinary precision. You can fine-tune the texture of your sauces or smoothies to absolute perfection. Nevertheless, keep in mind that this level of power could come with a trade-off. A few users have noted the noise level. When this blender is in full swing, it's going to announce its presence. This may not be a deal breaker in a commercial setting where the sound of industry is commonplace, but it's certainly something to consider. Apart from the auditory experience, the weight of this blender is on the heavier side. If you need to tuck it away after use or relocate often, this could be cumbersome. But that granted, the weight and size are very literal indications of this blender's impressive durability. It's the best high-end blender for a reason. All things considered, For those in need of a workhorse blender capable of large batches and frequent use, the advantages it offers may well outweigh the drawbacks. Its built-to-last design oozes longevity, and the dispensing spigot is a thoughtful touch for serving up your creations with minimal mess and fuss. Just be prepared for the heft and hum that come with having such a substantial tool in your culinary arsenal. So, those are the best professional blenders on the market today. You can't go wrong with any of these high-end blenders, but depending on your budget and preferences, you'll probably have a couple of standout picks for your favorite commercial-grade blender. Let me know in the comments which of these super blenders are your favorite. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and if you really enjoyed it, maybe even consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching, and I hope your new commercial blender serves you well.